What's going on, everybody? My name is Wolv21, and MoreCreeps and Weirdos updated to version 1.98b. So, I'm going to do another tutorial on how to install it. The setup's a little bit different. Again, the links will always be in the description below. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to back up Minecraft. So how to get there is you're going to click on Start. You're going to go run a Start Search. You're going to type in $app data % and hit OK or hit Enter on your keyboard. It should open up your application data folder or your roaming folder. You're going to go into your .minecraft folder. Here is where you're going to copy everything into a folder of your choosing. Right click copy or Control C and paste it into your made it today's backup folder, and I backed everything up. Specifically to make sure that your saves, your texture packs, and everything else in here, screenshots, everything's backed up. Once everything's backed up, you're going to delete everything within here. Make sure that's empty. Rerun Minecraft. It'll re-download the files, and you get a clean version of Minecraft ready to go. Now, to run the MoreCreeps and Weirdos mod, you need the ModLoader version 3 or higher, the AudioMod, and the Achievements tabs. So those are the 3 zip files that you're going to need. Please look on the forum post for those specific downloads. After they are downloaded, along with the MoreCreeps version 1.98b. So I just did this tutorial last week and it had already updated. Awesome. Okay, since now everything's downloaded, as long as you're in your .minecraft folder, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your bin folder and you're going to look for your minecraft.jar file. What I'm going to use 7-zip to open the archive. So what you do is highlight it or click on it once, or just right click on the file, choose 7-zip, open archive. You're going to see the contents of the minecraft.jar file in front of you. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to install the ModLoader, AudioMod, and Achievements tabs next. So you're going to right click on the ModLoader zip file, 7-zip, open archive. You're going to copy all the class files, or highlight all the class files in that zip, drag them over to the class files below on the right hand side for the minecraft.jar, drop them off. You're going to hit yes, so dump them off. You can close out of the ModLoader. Now we're going to do the same thing for the AudioMod. Right click, 7-zip, open archive. Same thing, highlight all 3, drag them below in the class files. You do not want to drop them above. Drop them off, hit yes, close out of the AudioMod zip, and then the same thing for the Achievements tabs. You're going to right click, 7-zip, open archive. We're going to go into the bin folder. So double click on bin. You're going to see 3 class files. You're going to do the same, highlight all of them, click and drag them over to the right, drop them on the class files because you don't want to drop them into any subfolders within the Minecraft jar. Yes. Close out of the Achievements tab zip. Next thing we're going to do, since the Minecraft jar file is open, you're going to delete the meta-inf. So you're going to click on it once to highlight it, hit delete on your keyboard, hit OK. Bada bing, it's gone. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the MoreCreeps version 1.98b RAR. You're going to right click on it, 7-zip, open archive. Now this is where it's changed. Before you had to do a lot of other stuff to copy to different things in different areas. Now all you have to do is you're going to close out of the minecraft.jar because we do not need to go in that anymore. You're going to go to the root of the .minecraft folder. So again, if you've lost this, you just go to start run or start search %app data %. Go into the minecraft.jar or .minecraft folder. Get to the root. So you're going to copy the contents of the resources folder. So you're going to double click over here within the MoreCreeps RAR file. You're going to see a mod folder. What you're going to do is on the .minecraft folder on your application data folder, you're going to go into the resources folder and you're going to click and drag the mod folder over to the resources folder on the right hand side. And this is basically all the sounds for MoreCreeps. If you do not copy this, you're not going to hear any sounds. And we'll let this copy. It's taking its sweet old time. Okay, it's done. You're going to go back up to the root of the .minecraft folder. You're going to go up on within the MoreCreeps version 1.98b. Okay, now within here, you're going to have to create a mods folder. Since there isn't one here, we have to right click, new folder, call it mods. So it's the .minecraft within here, within this folder. You're going to create a mods folder. You're going to double click on this, and what you're going to do is you're going to highlight both the MoreCreeps.txt and the MoreCreeps and Weirdos.zip, and you're going to click and drag them over to the right. It's going to copy them into the mods folder underneath the .minecraft folder. Now, technically, right now, everything should be finished. The ModLoader, AudioMod, and achievement tabs are installed. And then the resources within the RAR file for the sounds, and then the mods folder along with the MoreCreeps.txt and MoreCreeps and Weirdos zip. Technically, right now, we should be able to run Minecraft, and everything should be all hunky-dory. So we're going to see. Go to Minecraft, the screen loads, which is awesome. It's a good sign. Single player. I got guinea pig power going. Play world. Dude. Oh. I got a notch. I got a fuzzy. It's good. Everything's installed. I see a... What the... Is that an evil robot? It's either a robot Ted or a robot Todd. There's a couple new mobs for the more Creeps and Weirdos for this specific version. There's I think evil snowmen is one of them, and they get bigger and bigger depending on their climate. So if they're in a snowy region, then they're gonna get bigger and bigger. And there's evil Ted and Robot Ted and Robot Todd, and they don't like each other, so they'll fight each other. All right, so that's how to install this version of More Creeps and Weirdos version 1.98b. Again, this literally just came out, and the installation is a little bit different than the previous one. So if this worked for you, make sure you click the thumbs up. Make sure you follow the instructions very thoroughly, because as you saw, this does work. If you don't hear sounds, then you didn't copy you didn't follow through the directions, and you didn't copy the resources, contents of the resources folder to the resources in the .minecraft folder within your system. Again, there's a text file within the RAR file that'll give you some troubleshooting steps. Basically, it's you either didn't download the right file for the AudioMod, ModLoader, or achievements tabs, or you didn't copy something over into the jar. So that's basically it. All right, everyone, my name is Wolv21, and always remember to rock on.